Here's Dylan with his first $100 bill. Do you want it?
No.
Do you want it? Do you want it? It's money. What's wrong with it? Do you want to see it? Can you give it a kiss? Do you want it?
No.
It's your $100 bill. Do you want it? Give it a kiss. You want to give it a hug? Can you give it a kiss? Do you want it?
No. No.
Do you want it back?
No. No. No.
Do you like it?
No.
Why?
No.
Is it scary?
Scary?
No.